Hey there, fellow urban gardener. Are you dreaming of growing your own delicious mushrooms but limited by space? Well, fret no more. In this article, I'll introduce you to the wonderful world of mushroom grow kits specially designed for small spaces. These compact kits are perfect for apartment dwellers, tiny home enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to embark on a mushroom cultivation adventure without a sprawling backyard. Let's dive right in. Why choose mushroom grow kits for small spaces? When you have limited space, traditional mushroom cultivation methods may seem out of reach. But fear not. Mushroom grow kits for small spaces offer several advantages. Space-saving design. These kits are specifically designed to fit into small areas such as apartments, balconies, or even kitchen countertops. They come in compact sizes, allowing you to grow mushrooms without sacrificing precious space. Convenient and easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, mushroom grow kits are incredibly user-friendly. They provide all the necessary components and instructions, eliminating the guesswork and simplifying the cultivation process. Just follow the steps, and you'll be on your way to harvesting your very own mushrooms in no time. Versatility. These kits offer a wide variety of mushroom species to choose from, including oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, and more. You can experiment with different flavors and textures to suit your taste buds and culinary preferences. Getting started, setting up your mushroom grow kit. Now that you understand the benefits, let's go through the steps to set up your mushroom grow kit. Step 1. Choose the right location. Find a suitable spot for your kit. It could be a corner of your kitchen, a windowsill, or any other well-ventilated area with indirect sunlight. Remember, mushrooms don't need direct sunlight to grow. Step 2. Prepare the kit. Open your mushroom grow kit and carefully follow the provided instructions. Each kit may have slightly different requirements, so be sure to read the guidelines thoroughly. Generally, you'll need to mist the kit with water regularly and maintain a specific temperature and humidity level. Step 3. Patience is key. Mushrooms take time to grow, so be patient and resist the temptation to interfere too much. Follow the instructions regarding misting and temperature, and let nature work its magic. FAQs about mushroom grow kits for small spaces. Q1. Are mushroom grow kits suitable for beginners? Absolutely. Mushroom grow kits are perfect for beginners. They come with detailed instructions and provide all the necessary components, making it easy for anyone to start cultivating mushrooms. Q2. How long does it take for mushrooms to grow? The growth time depends on the mushroom species and environmental conditions. Generally, you can expect to start seeing mushrooms in a few weeks, with full harvests occurring over a period of several weeks. Q3. Can I reuse the mushroom grow kit? Some kits are designed for single use, while others can be reused. Check the instructions provided with your specific kit to determine if it can be reused. If not, you can explore composting options for the spent mushroom substrate. Q4. What should I do if mold appears? Mold can occasionally appear in mushroom grow kits. If you notice mold, it's best to dispose of the contaminated substrate and start fresh. Maintaining proper hygiene and following the instructions can minimize the chances of mold growth. With mushroom grow kits for small spaces, you can bring the joy of mushroom cultivation into your urban abode. These compact and user-friendly kits allow you to grow your own flavorful mushrooms, even in the tightest of living spaces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, these kits provide a convenient way to explore the fascinating world of mushroom farming. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.